What's up, guys? AK with DCCTRAIN. I decided to do like short broadcast just because I try a couple of try to do like videos. No, the broadcast will be easy. So great example how like small tiny project turns to completely a little bit nightmare and completely remodeling thing. So here we go. But I just cannot, I'm not giving up. So I'm doing it anyway. The beginning of the story. Customer with that gorgeous locomotive, Bowser original. I like Bowser a lot. They detail parts. Means you can breathe on it, so you can put it on layout. Some tangent cars I don't want to even touch. You know what I'm talking about. So if you see the link in the chat, and I'll put it in the description later in the comment line, that's DCCTRAIN Live channel, which is I did live updates there, details. If you wanna, yeah, I'm not hiding anything, no problem. So you can look at that channel. Look at those installations. So I have like 6 or 7 parts. Original request: the ditch lights on both sides, rear and front here, they kind of not really matching the headlight. That's the major concern. Sure, no problem. I did like 1,000 of those headlights, whatever. Not big deal, especially with LEDs I'm using right now. So good stuff. Yeah, no problem. The construction of Bowser. So if they put a little bit brighter LED, bigger LEDs here, because yeah, I took it out, just neck size. The problem is the original construction of like 2 ditch lights. I'm sorry, 2 headlights here. Like 2 pass lenses and the prism behind it. So it's kind of converting the light from shooting up and going like straight. And that's an issue. So it's not equal in every single lens, and it's kind of dim. So, okay, that's what I said. Like, no problem, not big deal. Droppy Diesel, hello, hello, hello. Well, I make my, it's not connected yet. It will be, I'll do like test run video, one more, and that will be it. So I did my lenses, custom lenses with LEDs right now here. It's not connected, it's only one connection. Just want to show how's everything turned. And almost ready for assemble. Take that original LED, no problem. So everything's working. ASU 21 pin, original board, and that thing caused like a really problem. I'm on final assembly, putting everything, and I mentioned just for like short moments that the rear ditch lights and front ditch lights kind of flickering, especially the front lights, ditch lights. Yeah, here. They knew now. I'm like, okay. Next day, I'm continue working on it. Boom. It's not I thought like a contact here. Those contacts, sometimes they oxidate. No, the ditch lights quit. So I'm testing them on a special power supply. Testing here, there, nothing, because you can use actually tester in sound mode when you like testing the wire or something connection. They if you put proper polarity, they will lit. So like, what's going on? Anyway, long story short, they quit both sides. Like, oh my goodness! Like, I burned another, and I start digging to the board. Look how many elements here. So potential failure. Anyway, I'm not investigating anymore. Means spend a lot of time. I thought like, no, need a remodel. So what I and it's working finally. I put like new ditch lights here, LEDs new here, front and rear, rear here. Then all LEDs here are original, and it's 8 outputs. It's a lot. So I decided to use decoder body. Nick, man, if you're watching, good product. I try to stay behind good product, guys. If I like it, yes, you will see my recommendation. Yes, I am recommending it. And also, that's his new design. It's a couple of, maybe like a year, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe a little bit more. That decoder test, light test board. What does it mean? I'm putting this guy here, and before assembling everything, I'm checking my functions output, how they set up, they flashing, they like alternating, whatever. But here it's a lot. I'll show you in a second. So it's a lot of outputs. It's 2 individual outputs for ditch lights, headlight, rear light. So it's already 4. Scrolling through, and if somebody can comment on this, why different colors means, I got some explanation, but like different type of type of trains, like different part of trains, I believe. So it's scrolling through here, number boards, which is a little bit issue right now because I don't have an extra function as customer what he wants me to do. And light here, when I think it's in Canada, I didn't see here, maybe in the US, yeah, you can comment on this as well. So the rear light, and we'll check it out in a second, the rear like stoplight, or if you park the car, you're turning like your lights, right? Just make sure somebody can see it in the dark. That's pretty much what it is. So when the engine just sitting in the yard or whatever stops, it turns red, turns on, and it's kind of pulsation flashing. I'll show you right now. Very nice. I like those speakers. That's good. Okay, let's start actually, because I'm on the second level of the functions. It's F14. I think I have a power. Here we go. Yes. See? Right there. Flashing, kind of, not a big, kind of beacon type. Yeah, maybe can be adjusted. Now we're going to the first level and changing direction, because the headlight is not connected, but its rear is very nice. Same idea with that prism converting beam straight, but it's only one actually lens. And that's working great. When they kind of split it in 2 lenses, headlight vertical, just not good construction. Well, can be done. Now I'm turning the, you're not gonna see ditch lights because of course they're not connected here, but everything's working. So I changed the direction, which is doesn't matter. And with F5, so I'm turning that's on, the white one, then green, then red, off. White, green, and red. The looks like indicates part of of the different trains, like splitted trains. Yeah, if you please comment on this. Here we go. Works. Yeah, and of course I can kind of park light. Yeah, when it in the park position or something. Excuse me. Yeah, sounds nice and clean. Motor performance, you know, nice flying wheels, so it's good connection. Don't need a capacitor. Don't worry about it. The connectivity is great. So transition sounds and like file built, the sound file built very nice. see, absolutely clear and very nice. Well, I'm stopping playing right now. Guys, by the way, if I hit 8 right now, it will just cut the sound. If you want a proper shutting down procedure, make sure it's in idle mode. Now check this out. Here I go. When Rob controlling engine and I'm taking the video presentation video, he messes up sometimes, so the engine not stopping to complete stop on idle, hitting just a little bit, like literally like 3 seconds, just need to wait, hitting F8, it just cut the sound. All right, guys, thanks for supporting business. Thanks for supporting channel. I have Patreon on the left, PayPal, and there is membership. Also, we have a shirt. And DCCTRAIN.com, new website is working. Welcome to register. We're putting items. We try hard, and we're putting items right now. Thanks again, and have a good one. Bye-bye.